It's 7:30 in the morning. As you can see, I've got a cup of tea and I've got a padlock. And I'm sitting on a balcony in Gran Canaria. And I was out shopping the other day and I come across these. I've had a quick look on Google and YouTube and I've not seen anybody else pick one of these. I've not seen one of these before. It's a Niza or Niza. Whether they only sell these on this island, I don't know, but I've not seen any before. So yeah, I'm in Gran Canaria, which is one of the Canary Islands, which is owned by Spain, and I've picked this up. It's only a small little 25mm lock. It's got 4 pins in it. That's a bit in on the key. All works okay. This is the packaging it came in. And obviously I'm on holiday, so I don't bring any picks with me. But I've got the wife with me, and she always comes up trumps when you're after some bobby pins. She's always got them. So I've got no tools to bend them, so I've just done it rough. And I can tension it with that one. And then in this one, it was hard to get that little bend on it, so I actually put it in the bottle opener in the room and managed to make a little bit of a bend. So let's see if we can get it open just using these tools. And then what I'll do is I'll just show you the views we've got off our balcony once we pick it open. I'm not the best at picking little tiny locks, the best of times, so I don't know how long it's going to take me to get this little thing open. It's nice and early because it gets really hot on this balcony, so I thought I'd do the video first thing in the morning with a cup of tea. I know it's not the best view you're going to get. Like I say, I've got no tripod with me or nothing, it's just the iPad resting on the table. And I thought I'd do a video. I couldn't wait till I got home, to be honest. You know, it's like when you get a new lock, you want to pick it. And if you ain't got the correct tools, you can always make them. A little tiny bit of movement then. And we've got some more movement. Just trying to angle the bobby pin around. And we get it. So, not the hardest lock to pick, but it's still a really cool little pick. And it was actually pretty cool to get it on camera on my balcony using 2 bobby pins. So let me just show you the views. There's my cup of tea. So these are the views I've got. As you can see, we're up in the mountains. Got a sea view over there. It's not very bright at the moment, like I say. It's pretty early, but later on today, when the sun comes up, it's absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.